Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Faith again. Today we're going to talk about women in general, women who had kids, women who has breastfeed. When a woman get pregnant, her body change. Her body is not the same no more. Her boobs change, her stomach. If everything change, she's not the same, the body is not the same. And when we give birth, we see some change, because if you're a woman who breastfeed, your breast becomes saggy. Your breast is not like, it's not up no more like the way it used to be. Your stomach, some people get lucky that their stomach go right back to where it was. Some people like me, if you are not lucky, you get a C-section, your stomach doesn't go back. It takes time for it to go back. You gotta work towards it. And then the bigger problem, stretch marks. But today we're gonna talk about breast after breastfeeding. Breast after breastfeeding. This is for people who had babies and who had breastfeed their baby. I have breastfeed my baby for 3 months. The good thing about breastfeeding, you know, your baby to fight against infection. Your baby grow are healthier, and the baby have more natural nutrient than what they get from the bottle, meaning from the formula. But here is the side effect of breastfeeding. After you stop breastfeeding, your breast is not up no more. Your breast becomes saggy. Your breast, I don't know. Every woman go through this. Maybe there's some women who don't go through this, and I haven't seen no woman who hasn't been there. Today I have come across with some tricks to help you guys to get your breast up and fuller, like later be more like the way it was before you got pregnant and you start breastfeeding. It's a simple, easy thing to do. If you really want to do, you gotta be consistent, and it's not like you're gonna get back. I mean, you're gonna get back a little bit to where it was before, maybe more. You just have to be consistent about the process. And then also, it's not like you're gonna have like them kind of Dr. Miami boobs. No. It's just to help you to get your breasts fuller, and then not saggy like a little bit up, so then you can still get that cleavage when you wear your bra or when you wear your bralette. I discovered a natural product that help in breast enlargement and then butt enlargement. But for me myself, I have tried for my breast, because as I say, my baby is 6 months and I have breastfeed for 3 months. My breast, I've seen a difference on my breast. And of course, when our man told us that, oh babe, it's okay, it look nice anyway, I like it anyway, it's not for them, it's for ourselves. If it's for ourselves to feel confident in our body, yeah, like when we wear clothes that we want to look sexy, you know, sexy. Just sexy. It's just for ourselves, not for the man, actually. So I'm gonna talk to you about this product. This product, fenugreek. Fenugreek, if you look it up, is a great product for your breast enlargement and for your butt enlargement. But I don't think a lot of people know how to use it. And even though some people told me how to use it, I came across with some trick myself to know how to use it so they can work better for me. And I'm here today to share it with you guys. This powder fenugreek, you can find it on Amazon. I bought mine on Amazon. You gotta make sure that it's organic. It's an organic product. And then this product, people use it different ways. Some people has some little bit of powder in a warm water they drink before they go to bed. Some people mix it with water, make like a paste, massage their breast with it at night before they go to bed. And some people put it in their food. There's too many ways to use this product, but as I say, everyone is different, and every technique is different for everyone. So here is mine, and I want you guys to try it and to tell me what you guys think about it. These are the two products that I use. This is the fenugreek powder and this is the fenugreek oil. The fenugreek oil also, you can find it on Amazon. It's expensive, yeah, but we want some results, so why not spend the money for it? So this oil is $24 and I think it's only 1 ounce. Yeah, it's expensive. So how I do mine is like I mix these two together. Little bit of powder, little bit of oil, that I massage my breast in a circle, massage it, and then I go to bed at night. But these are not the only product that I use. I use Vaseline and some washcloth. What do I do with Vaseline and washcloth? It's not only about to get your breast full and up, and then it's also about to get your breast tone. Yeah, like full and tone. So what do I do is I use this washcloth. That's what I use, and I use a Vaseline. How do I use this? I wet my washcloth and I put it in freezer. Then at the end of the day, I take it out, put some Vaseline, massage my breast, then take the washcloth, which is frozen, yeah, frozen, like, because it's gonna be very cold, and let it stay like this and massage it. That's what I do, and I can tell you guys, try it. It works very, very, very good. It works for me, and then I'm like, I gotta share this. It's true, I heard somewhere that Vaseline is good for your breast to make it tone, and then ice water too is good for your breast to make it tone. So me, I combine everything. I use the Vaseline and I use the fenugreek oil with fenugreek powder. So what I do is what? When I'm done with my day and I'm home, my baby is sleeping, it's time for me to shower and go to bed. Of course, I shower. Then I take my washcloth out from the freezer. By that time it's cold, it's freezing. Then I put some Vaseline, massage my breast, both of my breasts. Then I use the washcloth and I put it on my breast and I massage it. It's cold, but it's okay because you want a result. So it doesn't matter if it's too cold, you gotta bear the pain. Like, you gotta take it. So you massage. Then when you're done, your mixture that you have made from the fenugreek powder and the fenugreek oil, you take it and you massage it. And you wear your sleepwear, and then you go to bed. The next day you take a shower to wash the powder out, because it's a paste and you're gonna see some powder thing in your breast when you're doing it, obviously, because it's a powder. So in the morning you wash it. Believe me or not, in a week time you're gonna start seeing some progress. I'm telling you, I've been there. I was struggling about my breasts. I was insecure because I want them cleavage, and my breasts were not all the way saggy, but there was a difference. There was a difference, and I'm like, oh my god, Why? Like you wear clothes, like it's there, but then when you touch it, it's not like torn. But when I did it, it's so good. So my next step now is to show you guys how I did my mixture. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this process, and I hope you guys will try it and leave me a feedback. Thank you so much.